Our first round of auctions features this 30-foot hotel-grade mobile spa on wheels, one of the highest-end mobile saunas we've ever seen. But it's much more than a sauna. Luxury tiny house builder Rolling Homes built this trailer with a modern shower, steam room, changing room, and kitchen. Make it your home oasis a sauna rental company or high-end vacation rental edition. The opportunities are endless, and you can park it anywhere. Let's take a closer look. The sauna itself features a well-designed hot room with aluminum foil vapor barrier installed and then clear cedar throughout. The soul of this sauna is a HUUM HIVE stove. Wood is put into the sauna heater from the exterior, which keeps the inside clean. Outside the sauna is what we call the relax room, also featuring clear cedar on the ceiling with pine nickel gap shiplap on walls. The kitchen-sized table features sauna-quality benches and plenty of daylight. A great place to host, relax, or get some work done. The steam room and shower features a generator from Steam Therapy. It has built-in speakers that are connected to the steam unit and chromotherapy lights. It also has the Mr. Steam oil delivery system, which delivers essential oils to the steam room as wanted. The changing room has white shiplap covering the walls and ceiling. It also has a super quiet Panasonic exhaust fan to maintain comfort. The kitchenette has a sink with a beverage cooler and drawers for storage. Under the sink is a propane water heater from Aquago Comfort. All exterior walls have closed cell spray foam, while interior walls have rock wool insulation. Exterior siding is LP Smart Side. The roof is metal standing seam, which provides a cleaner look and won't leak anytime soon. Check out this auction and more on saunamarketplace.com.